Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Jordan Nailed It. For this set, I'm going to use the Beetles Nail Extension Gel. I got this kit off of Amazon, so if you have questions, I'll share a link in my comments. I'm going to first create my pink and white ombre nails. I'm going to go in with the white gel first on the tip. I'll cure that for 60 seconds and then I'll put the pink on and blend that out and cure that for 60 seconds as well. For the middle finger, I'm just going to do plain white, so I'm just going to apply that all over this middle fingernail. The next couple of nails are going to be the glitter ombre, so I'm going to start first with the pink and do the bottom. Then I'm going to put a little bit of the clear, that way I can start sticking the glitter on top. Now that I have the glitter applied, I'm going to cure for 30 seconds and apply a whole coat of clear and then cure that for 60 seconds. these babies into the coffin shape they deserve to be. I'm just gonna use the e-file as well as just a regular 180 grit nail file. The plain white middle fingernail, I'm going to apply some cute rhinestones, so sit back and enjoy the application. Finally, I'm just gonna top it off with the top coat, all of the nails at this point, and then I will cure all of them for 60 seconds. I think the nails came out amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment with any tips or tricks you have for me as well. Thank you.